Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to fix keyboard delay on Android. Here are the steps to fix keyboard delay on Android. First, restart your phone. A simple reboot often removes keyboard lag instantly. Clear keyboard app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, Gboard, Storage, and tap the Clear Cache. Update your keyboard app. Open Google Play Store, search your keyboard, tap Update if available. Switch to a different keyboard temporarily. Go to Settings, System, Languages and Input, On Screen Keyboard, enable another keyboard, and test. Disable keyboard vibration and haptic feedback. Find haptic feedback on Settings, Haptic Feedback, then turn up keyboard haptics to reduce delay. Free up storage space. Go to Settings again, Storage, and delete files, unused apps, or larger media, or if you have a storage manager, tap on Cleanup. Close background apps. Tap the Recent Apps button, then clear unused apps eating RAM. Disable power saving mode. Go to Settings, Battery, turn up power saving mode, which can slow the keyboard. Lastly, reinstall your keyboard app. Uninstall and reinstall Gboard or your main keyboard from the Play Store. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.